Do you want to know the real secret to making a woman respect you? Here's the truth. A woman's lack of respect for her partner. Proof that he is a man of low value in her eyes. Every woman who comes into your life must respect you. Today's men have become weak with women. Some of them fear the female, and some of them sanctify her. In the past, men commanded respect among men. His reputation makes women want to marry him. But in our time, it is an age of equality and sexual tension. We are seeing things that even our ancestors did not expect. In contemporary societies, wake up to reality. Remember that you are a man. It is a gift from God Almighty. Just remembering that is enough to make you feel hormonal. Testosterone runs in your veins. Respect and attraction go hand in hand. You can't have one without the other. So if you want to be attractive to women, you need to make them respect you first. We will discuss 6 things you can do to make any woman respect you deeply. Firstly, respect yourself, so she will respect you. Many men have always reached out to me, seeking help in their romantic relationships. I noticed that low self-esteem is a common factor among many of them. Self-respect is essential. If you want others to respect you, but most men fail to understand what it is, they end up draining it of their personalities. This weakens their presence and makes it difficult for women. Even notice them. You become a man when you respect yourself. This means being honest with yourself and others, and you take responsibility. You work for your future and do something meaningful in your life. When you are happy with yourself, you feel proud and respected. This positive energy follows you like a powerful force. Women will feel your strength and respect you when you carry yourself with respect. However, if you spend your whole life faking your existence, no one will respect you. Make a mark in everything you do, and you will earn lasting respect. Respect yourself first, and others will follow. Secondly, learn how to say no. When a woman feels that you lack self-esteem, she may take advantage of you and lose respect for you. You need to learn to say no and set boundaries while maintaining respect. It is necessary to know who you are as a person and what your values are, so you can identify when your partner exceeds these boundaries, sacrifices, and adjustments. Part of relationships, but you shouldn't lose yourself in the process. If you don't respect yourself, your partner will not respect you either. Lack of self-esteem is unattractive. It can lead to betrayal. Therefore, it is necessary to maintain your masculine energy in a relationship. If you compromise your values too much, you will lose yourself. So it is necessary to respect yourself if you want your company to respect you. Third, be realistic in your words and actions. Many men act out in pursuit of women's affection. Those who admire them with artificiality, by doing things they don't enjoy and showering women with compliments. However, be aware that it is through faking you will never gain the respect of any woman, because she will realize your true intentions. Fourth, increase your value. You can increase your value in countless ways. But if you want to be respected and admired, you need to increase your value. First, by understanding what women want, how they think, as well as what attracts them and what repels them. Women are attracted to men who can lead and be a role model. They control the events around them, and also men who know how to control their lives and achieving goals. This will give you great admiration from females. Your value is also increased by the fact that women, they prefer men who exude confidence. I know that you are strong enough to defend her from any harm. She will hold on to you and will never separate from you. Your passion for chasing a goal, your calmness, kindness, and mysterious personality. These are all factors that can increase your value. Fifth, defend yourself. Many men suffer from low self-esteem because they are overly kind to others. They do not defend their opinions and actions when confronted by others. However, the ability to defend yourself. Not only does it make you more independent, it also adds charm to your personality. When you learn self-defense, don't just gain the trust and respect of those around you. You also begin to see yourself and work at a higher level, which raises your sense of value. It attracts women who want to be with you in this capacity. Sixth, stop being needy. If you want women to treat you like a man of high value, you can't be needy. If so, you will feel it and run away. Women want to feel loved, but not only as a means to satisfy their sexual needs. You should also not give her the impression that you are afraid of losing her. This will make her controlling and she will lose respect for you. If you want respect from women, you need to set some rules for yourself. When you stop being too clingy and act cool, you will not think that you are weak. Rather, she will think that you are with her because you care about her. You must maintain balance in everything you do with her. Show her that you appreciate spending time with her, but you also have your own life. When she sees in you a man who can live alone, she will be attracted to you even before she knows you. If you like the content of the Modern Man channel, don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell.